Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure Gboard is ready. Open Settings and set Gboard as the default keyboard so input routes correctly. Once done, grant microphone permission to Gboard under Apps so the mic will capture audio. Next, open a messaging app or search box to summon Gboard. You should see a mic icon on the keyboard toolbar or above the keys. If you don't, make sure the keyboard is active. This prepares the device for voice typing and avoids permission blocks. You now enable voice typing from within Gboard itself. Tap the mic icon and speak. Gboard converts your words to text in real time. If the mic icon is missing, open Gboard settings, go to voice typing and toggle it on. This activates Google's speech-to-text engine for the keyboard. Make sure the correct input language is selected and download any offline speech models if you need dictation without data. These steps ensure accurate recognition and let you control when to finish. Tap the mic icon again to stop recording or switch to another keyboard if needed. Your dictated text will remain editable. If voice typing fails, restart the phone and confirm microphone permission and network access. Sometimes updates resolve recognition problems, so update Gboard via Play Store. Also test voice typing in several apps and a quiet room to rule out app-specific or background noise issues. If problems persist, clear Gboard cache and app settings and try again. That often fixes lingering glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.